Hi, good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Aisa Rose Andio, 37 years old from Bicol, Philippines. I am a single mother. I have son age 17 and daughter age 15. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, singing, and many more. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 10 years and 5 months. I serve one couple, two elder, three children, age 3, 8, and 10. My duties are household chores, cleaning the house, washing clothes, cooking, marketing, ironing, and take care of their children. I really want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and I want to my child life better. And to my future employer, I hope you will choose me and hire me. And I promise I will do my very best to serve your family and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thanks, Mom and Sir. God bless.